I'm going to show you how to change the font style and font size on the Redmi Note 15 Pro. So if you go into settings and then under settings, you scroll down and find display and brightness, tap on that. And then you scroll down again, you will see font. So you tap on that and that opens up the fonts store, the Redmi font store, where you can go and find some fonts. Now, some of them are going to be free. For some, you might have to pay something. So for instance, as you can see, most of these ones are going to need some payments. So if you know some that are free, you can just go ahead and look for them. But also, if you go back one step, you'll find that the font, if you go to font settings, has some built-in fonts. Okay, so you have the default, you have the Mi Sans font, you have, it's gonna take you here. Okay, so we have some ads here, which is kind of the issue that drives me nuts with these fonts. If you search free, you might see some free fonts. Okay, so for instance, this one is free. If you like it, you just tap on it and then have it installed. Okay, but basically you see all installed fonts will come here, so you can always reach it from there, and then you can adjust the font size from here. Now I'm just going to go back to my default font and adjust the font size from there. Okay, I'm just going to put it at 110, and that's it. That's how to adjust the font style and font size on the Redmi Note 15 Pro. Thanks for watching and good luck.